How to sign up or create an Oculus account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually sign up or create an Oculus account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically create an Oculus account, just go to oculus.com or you can go to meta.com. The URL will just redirect you to this same page over here. Once you're on this page, all you need to do is on the top right, you can see a little profile icon. So you want to just make sure to click on the profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon over here, you'll find the option called sign up or log into Meta account. So all you have to do is make sure you just click on sign up or log into Meta account. Once you select sign up or log into Meta account, now you can choose to continue with Facebook, because obviously you can link your Oculus with Facebook account, or you can choose Instagram. Now if you want to actually set up separately, you don't want Facebook nor Instagram to be linked to your Meta account, then in that case you can just select set up account with email address instead. So just select set up account with email. So it'll ask you for a couple of questionnaires, but I'm just going to select I don't. And then over here you simply want to actually make sure to enter the email address that you want to use for your Meta account. So let me also go ahead and then do that as well. Once I make sure to enter the email address for my Meta account, I'll just click on the next option. Then it'll ask me for a couple of other questionnaires such as choosing a password and so on. And then once you've done all of that, your Meta account will be successfully created. But you can also create with Facebook or Instagram, but you can create a separate independent account depending upon whatever you prefer. So hope this video helped you as to how you can create an Oculus account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.